Are you looking for the best winter pool cover for your swimming pool? Look no further! In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best winter pool covers. These covers are made of high-quality materials and are designed to keep your pool safe and protected during the winter months. So let's get started with the list. List number Robel 352424 Winter Round Above Ground Pool Cover. Robel 352424 Winter Round Above Ground Pool Cover is the perfect solution to protecting your above-ground swimming pool in the winter. This 8-sided cover features a heavy-duty polyethylene material and uses overlapping covers to help keep water from flowing through and ruining your pool liner. The cover is designed for 24-foot round pools and weighs 2.36 pounds per lineal yard. Above-ground pool covers include an all-weather cable and a heavy-duty winch to be used with grommets placed every 4 feet on the cover. The heavy-duty polyethylene panel is made to last and withstand harsh weather conditions all year long. This above-ground winter pool cover is made from 50% polyethylene and 50% polypropylene to provide the ultimate protection from rain, snow, and ice, along with UV protection to keep your water warm and inviting to the whole family. List number Robel 35240R Super Winter Pool Cover. The Robel Super Winter Pool Cover is a heavy-duty, solid pool cover. The Robel Super Winter Pool Cover features a heavy-duty 8x8 scrim that weighs 2.36 oz squared. Both the scrim count and material weight are the best indicators of the strength and durability for your pool cover. This is a heavy-duty pool cover designed to protect your pool from the winter elements. Solid pool covers do not allow water to pass through their material. The Robel Super Winter Pool Cover features a heavy-duty 8x8 scrim. Robel pool covers are made from high-quality PVC materials to ensure durability, weather resistance, and quality performance. This pool cover will conform to the pool's shape and size without stretching or deforming. Cover is UV resistant, so it won't crack after a year of use. Protective liner is applied over the top of this pool cover to ensure a perfect fit on your pool walls and deck. List number Poolmate 3524 4 p.m. Heavy-duty blue winter pool cover. The Poolmate winter cover is a heavy-duty cover to be used with traditional above-ground swimming pools. Solid material will not let water pass through, and this cover's heavy-duty polyethylene material is durable for years of use. It includes a 4-foot overlap, including 4 feet of extra material beyond pool size. Making this cover easier to install, all seams are heat-sealed for better performance. This winter pool cover is easy to install, as it comes with a winch and cable that should be used to secure the cover through the grommets. This cover is meant for traditional above-ground pools with a traditional top rail. Includes a winch and cable that should be used to secure your pool cover through the grommets around the perimeter of the pool cover. Plus, with a 4-foot overlap, in addition to the 4 feet of extra material beyond the pool size, our winter pool cover makes the process even easier. List 4. In the Swim 8-year 15-foot round pool winter cover. The Swimline 15-foot round above-ground winter swimming pool cover can be used to protect your pool from snow and ice. It will also make getting your pool back into shape in the spring much easier, as it is made of laminated polyethylene sheeting, woven with thick, high-density polyethylene stitching, and treated with UV protection. The quality of this pool cover was further improved by its use in making rain covers for military vehicles. It has been tried and tested for long-term outdoor use through the harshest conditions imaginable. The Swimline 15-foot round above-ground winter swimming pool cover is made of laminated polyethylene sheeting, woven with thick, high-density polyethylene stitching, which ensures superior tensile strength and durability. It has also been treated to provide maximum resistance to damaging ultraviolet rays. For the long life of your pool, choose the Swimline 15-foot round above-ground winter swimming pool cover. List number 5. Poolmate Sandstone Winter Pool Cover. The Poolmate Sandstone Winter Pool Cover will protect your pool from winter elements. This is a solid winter pool cover that will not allow water to pass through its material. The Poolmate Sandstone Winter Pool Covers is constructed of extra heavy-duty polyethylene. All seams are heat-sealed for better performance. The sandstone topside of this pool cover is coated to prevent UV damage. This cover includes a 5-foot overlap for added protection for the long winters ahead. The 56 inches long molded-in sandstone winter pool cover is a safe and durable way to cover your pool. The sandstone top features an anti-skid surface that prevents the cover from slipping off the edge of the pool or ladder. This winter pool cover features a built-in drain around the inner perimeter for easy cleaning. Designed for ease of installation and will protect against winter elements.